So you sit down at your desk and you complete some good work. You're productive, you're dialed in, and you get it done efficiently and effectively. And then the next day, you sit down at your desk and you complete your work. You do it well, efficiently, effectively. And then the third day you sit down and you can't even begin. You can't bring the motivation, the discipline to enter the work, let alone complete the work. You can't start. You're in this procrastination loop and you struggle to be sustainable in your productivity. Well, this is what this video is for. If you give me 7 minutes of your time, I will give you the solution to have sustainable productivity for the rest of your life and change the game, bringing success to you via efficient work in the endeavor you desire. Hello, I'm Dylan, I'm 18. I coach lazy people to become productive, and I personally went on a productivity journey from 5,000 hours or 210 days straight played on Call of Duty and other such video games, stuck in a deep rut of procrastination, to now effortlessly and easily breezing through large amounts of my work for my business, education and personal development goals. And this sustainable productivity practice has helped thousands of people across the world reap success via consistency. So how can we be sustainably productive? I'm going to get straight into it. Here is your solution. Simply put, do less. See, there's an interesting paradox with productivity in the regard that you can set yourself a lot of work, complete it and feel great. But then the problem is it's not sustainable. You can't complete the same volume of work day in to day out because other circumstances get in the way. Bad night of sleep. You're not fully optimal. You're not fully homeostatic every single time you try and embark on the work. So setting yourself consistent high volume tasks on your to-do list every single day is going to lead to burnout and short sustainability and productivity. So what you need to do is set yourself less. First of all, use ChatGPT, put in your business model, put in the work you're trying to complete, and ask for the 5 main tasks you need to complete to make a success in whatever you're doing. Take these 5 tasks and they are your MIT, your most important tasks. These are the necessity tasks you must do each day. For me, make short form, record video, edit video, product work, content generation. Boom, 5 tasks that are my most important tasks that I need to do day in to day out. So if I complete those tasks, boom, day is productive and I'm pushing the needle, I'm pushing my progress in the endeavors I'm trying to succeed in. So when you understand the tasks that are most progressive and set them as your necessity tasks, then anything else is an added bonus. So this is a surefire way to avoid burnout and continue sustainable productivity. Find the 5 most important tasks. Ask ChatGPT, I'm in this business model, I'm doing this specific bank of work, I'm doing this, I want to get this result. What are the 5 most important tasks for me to complete day to day to progress and reach success in this endeavor? It's so simple, yet everyone brushes over it. When they get into productivity, the amount of people I speak to who have set themselves 20, 30 tasks to complete on their first day of attempting productive work is insane. You are a newbie. You are the new beginner in the gym. You can't go into the gym bench 100 kilos when you first start. You need to progressively overload sustainably. And if you find your 5 most important tasks, set them as your necessity task, and you can sustainably build progress in the endeavor because, number 1, your prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain that is attentive in focus, will be less overloaded, allowing you to be more focused on the work and getting it done efficiently. There's a concept from Cal Newport called deep work, and he suggests that if you complete just 1 block of incredibly deep, attentive, effective work, it accounts for a full day of pseudo productivity. So work that you think is progressing you but generally isn't, because you have distractions, your reticular activating system, the part of the brain that dials you in on the work, isn't maximally optimized, and then you end up being distracted and kind of half-arsing the work. So 1 session of deep work every single day can change your life. That's 1 session of deep work. That's 90 minutes, maybe even 2 ultradian cycles of 3 hours can genuinely change your life. If you have 5 most important tasks you need to complete in this 3 hours you set yourself, this 2 ultradian cycle block, it will change your life. You'll be sustainably productive forever. Deep work, very important. Furthermore, habits are what makes success. Saying that I love, we are what we repeatedly do, so therefore excellence is not an act but a habit. So in order for you to reap the rewards of productivity, which is success by being productive and being efficient in your work, you get more work done, and you make more progress in your endeavor, which brings you success. In order for this to happen, you need to habituate the work that's progressing you. And the way you can do this is by having these 5 most important tasks. Dial them in every single day, day in, day out. When you go to sleep, you know exactly what you need to do the next day, because it's the same. It's the same 5 tasks that progress you in your business or your endeavor, or your education, or your personal development, or your self-improvement. Whatever it is you need to progress in, these 5 habits need to be dialed in so you can be sustainably productive for the rest of your time. You need to get out of this mindset that you want things quickly. You need to get out of this headspace where your time frame is warped. You will not achieve success in the endeavor you're trying to be productive in within 1 year. You need to allocate yourself 5 years of your life where you're going to consistently be productive. You need to have these tasks dialed in so that you can easily and sustainably complete them day in to day out for the next 5 years. As a final detail of how to create sustainable productivity, you need to have an endeavor that you're truly passionate in, an endeavor that you truly believe is your purpose. If you're sitting down and you have to send 100 emails every single day as your most important task, are you most likely going to complete it? Because I've been there. I've had these business models that require me to cold outreach via emails, 100 emails a day, 100 emails a day, 100 emails a day. But then you feel like a monkey behind a computer. There's no interpersonal connection. There's no parasympathetic relation like I have with this YouTube channel. There's no one I'm helping. And when you have other people who rely on you to be aided, that is the most purposeful work in productivity. I wake up every single day excited to record a video, to post a video, to speak to you people, to try and help you to become productive, because I generally feel like it's my purpose to turn lazy people productive and help you find your purpose also. So I really appreciate you for watching this video. If you're interested in working with me, there's a free consultation link in the description. I want to help you help yourself. If you're interested, it's there, and I appreciate you. Take action.